Alright, so quick update on Solana. So far today we have had a fairly decent pump. We pumped up 7.8% and now we are currently up 5.5%. So what to look out for now is basically what I've outlined in the previous videos. Until we do get above this descending trend line, if I mark it in red so you know it's resistance, then I personally just won't be getting out of bed for Solana. Now in the previous video I said I would be laddering in buys down here at 72 and 55, but alternatively I would also be buying if we did manage to break back above the 112. I do believe, in my opinion, 112 is the key point of interest. If we do zoom out, you can see that this is the key 618 support from low to high. So all in all, not too much has changed. We are still below the 200-day moving average, and this descending red trend line that is coming in now at 101, you can see that this is what we are kind of getting stuck on right now. So until we do break above 101 or we do break above 112, then, you know, in my opinion, nothing has substantially changed for the market, because, you know, we have had multiple times we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days above. So we could do something like this, spend a couple days above and fall off the table again, and at that point, you know, I'd be getting ready to put in purchases at lower prices. But, you know, on the flip side, if we are able to get some strong volume coming in, we do break back above this trend, we do break above the 618 here, which is at 112, and do go off to the races, then I would be putting in a buy and a long here on 112. So I would be buying on spot, and I would also be putting in a long for Solana. So yeah, that's mainly what I'm seeing on the USD pair. The volume or the RSI is turning up, but do bear in mind we are still below the heartline, which we have got rejected at, you know, at least once before. If we do come over to the BTC pair, you can see the BTC pair is starting to turn up, but, you know, in the macro scale of things, we are still in a steep downtrend. Do bear in mind as well, we are above the 618 on this, so we are technically very bullish. If we do take it up to the top as well, you can even see that we are above the 618 from the wick here. So we have had a strong bounce. I'll keep it on here actually, because you can see the 618 from the wick perfectly back tested on the BTC pair. So this could really be what we need to see before a huge uptrend. So Solana could be gearing up for a huge move right now. If I do get open a new chart, if we go over to Binance, you can see as well that we do have a nice W here. So we could be off to the races. We could be coming up to 116 and then potentially blasting off. So I believe if we get above 116 on this chart here, then we do have a strong chance of pumping all the way up to 150, which from where we are now is a 50% increase. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Solana right now. Once again, I do have my eyes on 112. If we come back to the FTX chart, until we do get above this 112, which is the 618, my number one target that I'm looking at, then I'm technically not bullish in the long term. So once we do get above 112, get some volume in and test this as support, then I would be more than happy to accumulate some more. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Solana. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.